welcome back to Labs Out Loud. I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And today we will be testing TikTok live acts.
Sure, ready.
Number 6. This is the moment, guys. I think I need to move the vase.
You need to move. You need to move too.
And the table, guys. It's gonna get physical up in here. I guess see if this really works. Self-defense class. Let's push the table out. Okay, guys. What's about to take place? You can actually use this. This is a life hack. Duct tape. I am going to duct tape
class. Will this actually work though?
This is the moment I've been waiting for. Like I've been just sitting and waiting for this.
3 times.
Can you put down your hand? You've been arrested. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Let me make sure I do it right.
In the court of law.
In the court of law. You've been found guilty.
Oh, there's what?
Alright.
Shade, if you do it like that, it's not going to.
Is this intentional, guys?
She is.
Hush.
If it don't work, we know why. So the idea is when I bring my hands to my ribs or abdomen,
your ribs will cut it.
It is supposed to just pop off my hand. So let's see.
Can I wrap it more time?
Yeah, we can try.
If I'm kidnapping you, I'm not wrapping
this
it.
actually works.
If I am
it hurts a bit, but
if I'm kidnapping you, I'm not wrapping this 3 times.
I can take this pain to get away.
I'm not wrapping it 3 times, guys.
So, just take time, no matter.
Hands together, feet apart. Oh, it work for your foot them too?
No, you have to put them like that. Shade. She's getting carried away though. Like,
we are testing.
Okay guys, so Shade wants to see if this really works. So she wrapped my hand with the duct tape.
Yeah, right? Are you choke me up? You can.
Alright, so let's see if it actually works with more going around. You're too close.
Self-defense.
No, it's hot. Yo, look here. It's a tear now, but it's a tear in my flesh, yo. So, like, if them do a lot, you can't do this.
Try stop them.
Yeah, tell them to give you about 3 layers. But this, let me do it.
Alright,
you probably have to do it more than once, okay? And it really actually
your
works.
foot to do it too. It had
you see? So it kind of take a while, but yo, anything to get away really.
From
like
me.
I would do it.
Guys, so we can't duct tape her.
Yeah.
She learn.
But that actually work, yo.
Wah, she got away.
Next,
Hack number 7.
Number 7.
Okay, guys, we're at hack number 7. We have cold water and hot water. The aim is to put one on top of the other without letting the layers mix. So I'm gonna be red. And it's gonna be, alright, green. So this is the hot water. I'm just gonna mix it. Ensure that it's homogeneous. You can mix yours. Alright. So the science behind it is cold water is actually more dense than hot water. So yours is cold. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay guys. Why? This hot mama. My left-handed or right-handed?
We could use on styrofoam. It's a hot. Yeah. The water is that hot, you can't hold it. Yeah.
Shanice, do it then, Nabi?
Of course we can do it.
Do
I
it.
don't want to take away.
No, you know, take away. No, yeah, add.
What I must do?
Exactly. Flip it over first. before you
Okay,
put it
but I don't
on.
want this feel and then this
Alright. Warm.
is coming out.
Little bit of yellow loose, little bit to get more. Science is.
Oh my god. This not look like a little bit we are gonna lose.
Come, guys.
Okay.
Put it down. You ready? Yeah, hold it.
Hold on, Shade. Hold on.
Hold it.
The girl I just
Because you lose.
watch
You
it.
hold it.
Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah, hold it.
Go.
Hold it.
Jesus. What a failure!
Shanice, you
Oh
mash up
my
the stuff. But
This
here's the question. Oh, you get it. Oh, you split this.
Oh, you split it?
We have to team up this.
We're gonna lose little to get more.
She realized that she had only seen a piece. I can't go about my business, right? But Shanice don't use the big glass here.
She haven't played it on somebody.
What we did a small.
Watch out! Smaller glass. So to say. Hello, fix this.
Exactly. Well, I would just go to the area, discard area. Okay, guys, so for this video, we'll be making Oreo cake in a mug. So you can pull this one. We're going to first you open the Oreos. You empty them into the container of your choice, preferably a mug.
You're going to need more than 4 Oreos?
No, because what we're going to actually do now, guys, milk. I'm going to pull the milk, Shanice. So it's to shake well.
Shake well.
So guys, we'll be mashing out. That's the word.
Machine.
We'll be breaking down the Oreo. This is a science channel after. Can I get some more Oreos, please?
What she talking to?
Oreo. So guys, the properties of the milk is breaking down the Oreo.
The milk is breaking down the properties.
That's right.
Please don't follow the science here.
Labs of love, guys. We're in the lab. Yes, please.
At least I'm doing my job perfectly.
Alright. I think Shanice put a little bit too much milk.
The milk is fine. It's supposed to come from it. It's alright.
You need to mash up all the cookies, though.
Alright, my dog. My dog. Alright, come.
Tic Tac a beat up bad.
My grandmother said this one will work.
Alright, guys. So she was unable to get it done herself, so the milk actually chipped in and break down the cookie. As you can see from the texture. This is the texture that we have. As you can see, this is a liquid with solid mashed out particles. We're going We're going to put this in the microwave though for 2 minutes. We took it out of the microwave. Where's your side? Yeah. So guys, we took it out of the microwave. We haven't looked at it yet. Well, I am. Alright.
Taking too long.
Alright.
So this is supposed to be a cake, right?
The texture. It has the temperature of a cake for sure. Going to eat it?
Definitely. But shouldn't we be using a knife?
No, it's a mug cake. Just take out a spoonful so they can see the temperature that it's actually.
Oh, this actually smells really good.
You're gonna do this again? I don't drink milk and I don't eat Oreos, so I can't even taste this.
Have a gelatin jello. Not a perfect cake.
No, yeah, what you did expect, miss?
It tastes jello-ish. The texture.
I can't. Let me just. I'm going to taste.
You're not tasting the milk.
I am going to taste this mentally.
It's just the Oreo.
Okay, I don't like Oreo. Okay. Was it a success?
Like I will sit and eat this.
No, I failed.
Wow.
Life hack number 9. We're going to try charging an iPhone with its originator.
Alright, so I have no faith in this one. None at all. Okay guys, so we're going to put the $10 coin in the apple. Then we push this in and we're supposed to get some juice in the phone. Some apple juice.
100% apple juice.
Alright, so
Alright, 1 coin is in. Alright, you gonna space them out or? So
yes.
Yeah. Alright guys. So this is our Apple Plus 20. This is an iPhone 20. Alright. As you can see, some electric juices are starting to flow.
Yeah. Alright, so supposed to insert this in.
Alright
guys. Well, the Apple charge your phone.
Oh my gosh guys, it works. Like
No. As I said, I had no faith in this. This makes no sense.
We are scientists. Probably need to charge the Apple first.
Yeah, probably we need to plug it in the socket or something, but put in 2 coins in an apple to charge the Apple
this,
phone.
if you follow these life hack, I guarantee you won't have a life after you finish. Majority of them is fail.
So this is a failure, alright?
She's gone and I am back. So guys, I have to talk.
I heard that.
For a grand finale,
Guys, we're going to do a
Coke and Mentos.
We're going to do an explosion.
Guys, if you're there yard and you're hearing a sound, are we? And a gunshot.
Do not call
Call
the police. Do not.
Are you ready? We have to go outside to protect our roof.
Yeah, no life.
Let's go. Join us. Bring them their pockets.
This thing starts.
Me jump first.
Okay guys, so we did 10 of these TikTok live acts to see if they actually work. How many work? Probably 4. 4. Alright, so the soap snake work, the balloon thingy work,
The popcorn work.
the popcorn work, the lava lamp work, the duct tape work. Yesterday we got on
The
February.
Coke and the Mentos work.
Coke and Mentos work. So 6 out of 10, not bad.
You have a 60% chance of surviving with these hacks.
Life hacks. Oh my god. As you can see, the popcorn took a while at first, but then we got it. So I guess you have to have experience. You have to go to school to do some of these.
When she made it took a while, remember? She was
Shut up.
doing it.
The duct tape definitely worked.
Guys, if you ever get
With
duct tape,
3 layers. Yeah. If they put more than that, like, it's going to be more painful. But I think the pain
it's worth your life.
Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching it and sticking through to the end of our video.
Never try to charge your phone with an actual Apple. Leave comments down below. Remember our Q&As. Please send your questions for our next video.
Yes, guys, and if you see any other life hack that you don't want to try but you want us to try,
We are willing.
yes, we will try it for you. So
Yes.
we can do a part 2. So don't forget to like,
Comment
share,
and
subscribe. See you next week for
with more videos.